guess what? My favorite season is coming up. My favorite season. We're officially in fall. I'm pretty sure September is fall. If it isn't, don't correct me because we are doing a fall crochet idea video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Hey, it's been a while since we've done a crochet idea video, so I figured what better time to do it than now. So today's crochet idea video is going to be over 50 fall and Halloween crochet ideas. I'm combining fall and Halloween this year. I usually do two separate ones, but let's be honest, I've done several of these videos and I don't have enough to keep doing them separately. So this one's a combination. So whether you're here for fall or Halloween, you're gonna find something for both. Before we get into the first category, I want to take a moment to thank this video's sponsor, Book of the Month. Book of the Month is a monthly subscription service that's perfect for finding books from new authors and also books from authors you already know and love. And each book is covered by their reader's guarantee. If you purchase a book and you don't like it, they'll replace it for free in your next box. This month, I got... Oh, I love this cover. I love this cover. The book I got this month is Play Nice by Rachel Harrison. The cover says, "Home is where the horror is." Look at this cover. You guys, it is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. So usually I'm not a horror book fan, but I figured with Book of the Month, I would take a chance and dive into a genre that I don't usually read. So I'm taking a chance and I'm so excited to get into this. I think it's perfect for the upcoming season. I also got The Heartbreak Hotel, which, oh my god, from my understanding, this looks like the perfect fall like romance book. And just based off the little like inside blurb, it says a bed and breakfast for the brokenhearted might hold the key to another chance at love in this achingly hopeful debut romance. So you guys know me, romance is my favorite. So along with my branching out genre of horror, I also got something I know I'll love, which is this cozy fall romance book. I also got this really cute hat that says well read. First of all, look at how cute this thing is. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Imagine me, it's fall, I'm holding my fall romance in one hand and an iced coffee in the other, and I'm walking to the library in this adorable hat. Okay, come on. If you want to get a cute hat too, go to bookofthemonth.com to pick a book and join Book of the Month. For a limited time, you can join and get your first book for just $5. Guys, that's a hardback book for $5. And you also get a free hat of your choosing with the code JACKET. Thank you to Book of the Month for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into our crochet patterns. I have a wide skill range in this video, easy to advanced to beginner to intermediate, all the different kinds, okay? And we have paid and free. As always, every image I show you will have a paid or free tag on it, so you know before you ever click a link whether or not you're going to have to spend some money. If any of these patterns are yours and you do not want them promoted in this video, please send me an email or DM me over on Instagram and I will take it out. As always, every picture I show you in this video will be linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial in the description box below in the order that I show it to you so that you can go make any of these projects. The categories I have for this video are accessories, wearables, decor, blankets, and miscellaneous. Let's get into our first category, which is accessories. For accessories, I've got these really cute ooze cup cozies. These go really cute with really just like a normal cup, a tumbler, one of those like Starbucks cups I see everywhere, or even like a hydro flask, or like you could probably extend it to fit over, what are those called? Awalas? Those are super cute. Those are more like Halloween. This one is a pumpkin bookmark. So cute, especially for my readers out there. Those of you who love to read, me too. Another one for the readers, we've got this pumpkin book sleeve. Super simple, super cute, perfect for beginners. I have another book sleeve for you, or also like Kindle sleeve. I feel like the ones that open at the top are better for Kindles, but this one's made with like these puff pumpkin stitches. I love it. Now, that is all I have for accessories. Not a lot, but we've got more in our wearables category. So for wearables, I've got this striped sweater. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I think every year I say I'm gonna make this striped sweater. I have yet to make it. Maybe this is the year. I'm not gonna lie. I do want to make a long cardigan for fall, so that is gonna be a crochet with me coming up. But let me know if I should make this one in a crochet with me. I'll use this tutorial too, and I'll let you know if I like it. But I'm thinking of doing this one next, so let me know if I should. The next one I have for you is the Granny's Cabin Shrug. This one is made out of granny squares, and it's not full length, so if you're in an area like I am, I'm in California, so it's still kind of hot even in September. This might be for you. And then this one is our Charlie Brown jumper. Super cute. This is another style of a striped sweater, but it's more in granny stitches than the other one. I think the other one was double crochets. This one's a falling leaves shawl if you don't want a full thick sweater, if it's not that cold in your area yet. I feel your pain. It's still very much hot here. This one's a patchwork sweater if you're more of a patchwork, make a bunch of different squares and put them all together. And what's cool about the construction of this one is you can make other squares like pumpkin squares or fall leaf squares and kind of patchwork them in with the simple double crochet squares like this. And our next category is decor. So for decor, we've got the Tree of Spookiness. We have these ghosts and these little pumpkins. We have a candy corn pillow. Like I said, we're mixing fall and Halloween. So this one, these acorns are more like fall. Put them with some fall leaves. Put them in a little table centerpiece for Thanksgiving or whatever. It's a mix and match. Now, this one's super fun. Sugar cookie pot holders, okay? You guys all know those Pillsbury. I think they're Pillsbury. But oh, the sugar cookies, I go get them the moment they're out for fall. And my sister and I eat them literally every weekend until Halloween. So this is a really fun one. You can also make these pumpkin pie pot holders if the sugar cookie ones aren't really your thing, or you're looking for more of like a fall pot holder. Then there's this Halloween banner with a little zombie with a droopy eye, a pumpkin, and a bat. That's good for like a cute little Halloween party. Then we've got these jar cozies, super cute. And then this one's a cornucopia specifically for like November time, more fall, still really cute. And you could even crochet the food that goes inside of it if you don't want to use plastic. And then if you liked the sugar cookie pot holders, I have this sugar cookie pillow for you if you're more of like, I want a sugar cookie pillow than a pot holder. Super cute. And then we have these pumpkins. I always like to include a couple pumpkin options. All of them kind of look different. This one's got more depth. It looks more like a realistic pumpkin, if that makes sense. And there's some other ones in here too, but that's one example for you. And then there's these ghost coasters, more Halloween. This one is a wind spinner, but specifically for Halloween / fall. Like you could get rid of the witch hat and change the green to like a different kind of orange and keep the pumpkin, and it's more fall. If you want it to be Halloween, you can keep it as is, but you can really like mix these up and kind of make them more fall, more Halloween, depending on what you're looking for. These little scarecrows are so cute, even if they're just on like your couch or like by a fireplace or on your porch. Super cute. If you're gonna put them on your porch, I recommend using like plastic yarn because it's a little more like weather safe, and I would just stuff it with something like old grocery bags or put the stuffing in a plastic bag so that it doesn't get wet. But you could like weatherize these to make them outside decor, including this cute little pumpkin set as well. Now, I ran across these bobble stitch pillows, this acorn one and also like fall leaves. So cute, so cute. There's a pumpkin, an acorn, and a fall leaf, I think, in this entire, like, it's a 3-pack. So that one's a good one. Then we have a fall gnome wreath for the front. Fall gnome wreath for your front door. Oh my gosh. And then I have this fall wreath that's not a gnome if you're not a gnome fan. Because I know some of you guys are like, I don't want gnome stuff. I'm like, okay, I'll give you things that aren't gnome stuff. This one's a boo pillow, so it's more Halloween. That one's going to be tapestry crochet, as well as this fall wall hanging, again, tapestry crochet. So if you don't like tapestry, you won't like those, but if you like tapestry, those are for you. And this one is a table runner. Super cute, perfect for Thanksgiving or really Christmas dinner. Christmas, girl, where are we going? Where are we at? We're in fall. We're in fall. Remember, fall, fall, fall. Okay? We've got these pumpkins, different stitch, different kind of way of doing it. Thought these were kind of fun, a little more fun and intricate than the ones that I've been recommending and like are usually the go-to. So I wanted to add those as well. We have another wall hanging for fall, but it's with bobble stitches. So if you saw the other one, but then you were like, I don't do tapestry, girl, I've been there. I went like 3 years without doing tapestry. If you don't want to, this is a bobble stitch version. So if you are a fan of a bobble stitch instead, you could do that one. And then this is a tapestry pillow. It says hello fall, very cute. Then we've just got some simple fall leaves. If you just need a little bit of adding to your centerpiece, or you want to string through them and make a cute little garland, that's also an option. Now for our next category, we have blankets. Now for blankets, we have a few. We've got fall into autumn, super cute. We have this fall blanket, which is like more chevron looking. And then we have a pumpkin patch blanket if you like the type of blankets that are made out of granny squares and then you attach all the granny squares together, then this one's for you. And then similar to that, but like a bigger version of a square, would be this pumpkin face throw blanket. Our last category is a miscellaneous. So for miscellaneous, I've got a mini witch hat. Now, these are good for a lot of different things. You can add them to your decor. You can add them to pumpkins decor. You can put strings through them, make a garland. You can just literally make them as is and like add them with your little acorns and your fall leaves. You can do a lot of stuff with these, so I thought I'd add them. You can also make this jack-o'-lantern tapestry grid and really do whatever you want with it. You can make it into a pillow. You can make it part of a granny square patchwork sweater or blanket, but I wanted to add a couple of these grids for you, like the jack-o'-lantern. This one's a Snoopy jack-o'-lantern one, and then this one is the sugar cookie grid for you if that's something you want to do too. And then we've got this really cute pumpkin cat. You guys, look how cute it is. Imagine just like sitting on your super cute pumpkin cat, okay? And then we've got these Focus Pocus eyes. Again, really cute. Really cute. And then this is a hanging skeleton. I thought it looked funky. I thought funky's the best, especially for Halloween, so I included it. Then we've got a cute little witchy cat. This one's kind of fun, especially if you're going to do like markets. I feel like some of these can be really cute for markets, especially in the miscellaneous category. Like these bats, you can make them into a garland. You can leave them as is. And then we've got the garden snails. These are more like fall, super cute to hide around your house, especially if you're one of those people with a bunch of plants. You can like put them between the pots. And then I thought the colors for this one was really cute. The stick candy, just like really fun, honestly. And what would be kind of cool is if you were having like a kid fall party, you could make a bunch of these and let the kids like choose 3 and hot glue them onto a stick. I think that'd be kind of fun. Maybe not practical, but fun. And then this is a Spooky Sam. Again, good for markets, as well as these 3 Halloween inspired spooky dolls. And then I thought this Leggy Bestie was like a cuter version of the other skeleton I showed you, and still funky looking, but like super fun. And then the last one I have for this video is the Mr. Pumpkin Man. Super cute. Not everybody likes a spooky Halloween. Some people need a cute Halloween, so I got a little bit of both for you. And that is all of the Halloween and fall crochet patterns that I have for you. As always, like I said in the beginning, all of these will be linked in the description box below in the order that I showed them to you. If you want to make any of them, the links are there. If you made it this far or you found something to crochet, subscribe to my channel and comment down below if there's another crochet idea video that you want me to do that I haven't already done, or if I've already done it and you're like, girl, I need more ideas, just tell me in the comments and I'll add it to my list. I hope you guys have a really good fall and a really good Halloween, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.